Easy what I am. Yeah. Did you see what I done? Came in a black Benz, left in the white one.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever. And as you can tell by the video, today we'll be doing a video that we haven't really done on my channel yet. It's basically annoying things girls do and annoying things boys do. But I'm not here alone. I'm here with my friends. So you guys introduce yourselves.
So it's your boy Romey, feel me? And if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, y'all should now. Feel me?
Dramatic Productions. And y'all seen her before. Nobody cares about her. Anyway. So first we're gonna start with we're gonna do annoying things girls do.
Alright, so I'm gonna go by number one. You gonna do it
start
too?
already?
Yeah, we
Alright.
gonna start. Go ahead.
I'm about to get in my gang.
So basically what they're gonna do is they're gonna say annoying things girls do and we're gonna like do our
Justify
input.
why.
Yeah, because you know
It's not
womanness up in here. So
Alright, so number one, the first thing I hate that females do is like when we go out to eat, and matter of fact, before we even go out to eat, when we planning, I ask you what you want, and you say it don't matter, and then when I give a suggestion, you're like, I don't want Chipotle today, feel me? I was on the toilet yesterday, I'm not trying to go on the toilet today. Or I'd be like, McDonald's, feel me? Because not everybody got it, feel me? We go for the 4 for $4, 5 for $5. Oh, that's Wendy's. But it don't matter, you get what I'm saying, feel me? Like, if you say it don't matter and I give you a suggestion, like, just take it, like.
it's not that easy, bro.
It is definitely that easy. Whatever you in the mood for, go get it. If I want some pizza, I'm gonna go get some pizza.
You
know? I mean, like, I'm guilty. I do that, but like most of the time, I just be chilling.
It's cause like you supposed to know what you want.
Exactly.
If I say it don't matter, like if I say it don't matter, like I probably want some Burger King. You're supposed to be like, oh, you want Burger King? I'd be like, yeah.
Dog.
You can't. Like, you supposed to know I want Burger King. You
supposed
can't.
to be Maritas?
Like,
yes.
Supposed to be 3 months?
I'm pretty sure I bought Burger King around you before, and I said this shit's bomb.
Yes.
If I say it don't matter, it means Burger King or something I like.
Alright, I guess they think we
mind readers.
Like, number two, the second thing I hate when females do is like they complain on social media, like, oh, I want a clingy nigga. Oh, I don't want a nigga that's not like all on me. It's like weird. Like when you give them all that attention, they be like, yo, you on me too much. Like get off me. And when you start chilling, moving way back, like, oh, you never show me man attention.
You gotta know balance.
They undecisive. I don't like that. It goes for number one too. It's just like undecisive. Y'all are very undecisive.
Balance.
Y'all don't know what y'all want. Y'all very confused.
It's indecisive, bro.
It's balance.
Yeah.
You gotta be the right amount of clingy. You gotta be the right amount of move back.
Exactly. You know what I
Like,
want.
exactly.
I want it.
Exactly.
Balance. It's really.
If I'm all up on you, of course I want you all up on me. But if I'm over there, like,
and you over there, then
stay over there. Their minds are a little.
They
down
don't
there,
get it.
But
I hate when, a female, when they use a past to define what they got right now, like they be like, oh, it's because this happened in the past, or like, oh, this person hurt me, so now I have a hard time trusting. I'm like, hold on, like, wait,
But it's true.
exactly. All right, but take advantage of what you got in front of you. Don't keep like what you have in the past.
But
Is supposed to stay in the past. Like,
but the thing is, you don't want to feel that again, so you be scared, you be hesitant.
But all this and these niggas still do it. Like you tell them this nigga broke my heart, treat me like shit.
Like,
and guess
well,
what they do? Break your heart and treat you like shit. And they be like, don't talk about your past. But you just did, like, cause y'all be doing the same thing.
But you gotta say now.
That's why we keep bringing up a past so y'all don't do the same shit.
It's
what
like
y'all do?
basically a warning sign. So if we see the signs, we out.
Y'all first off, y'all put yourself in that position. So now this is where we're gonna jump to number four. Number four I hate is that females always want a nigga that treats them good. When that comes in, they don't know how to act. They don't know how to act. And then they dump the good ones. They dump the good ones for the ones that treat them bad. And they always stay with the bad ones. Feel me? And then that's why they like, oh, I got hurt the bad. And then that's why they never know like who treats them good and who treats them bad.
They shut out when they like. They don't realize that they got somebody good in front of them. They just shut it out because of their past.
They like bad boys. They just don't admit it. They like bad boys.
Them drug dealers, them scammers, them ones that been locked up.
We're here for a good time, not a long time.
Right, like we take them all back good.
I'm just saying.
Bruh.
Like, when a good boy comes around, usually you already had a bad boy, so it's kind of like
but it's most
good,
of the time,
and it's just like you don't really know. Like
if they claim they good boys, they not.
Exactly. That
If he
too.
swear I'm
Why
a
can't
good
y'all
boy,
be
I'm
like
a good
Queen?
boy,
Just,
they
like,
ain't
move on
not.
fast. Be like Queen, move on fast.
I'm
Because
moving
we
fast.
live in real life. I don't know. I live in real life. I don't. Yeah.
So what Queen is amazing.
I mean, if I'm
She
breaking with my
live in
nigga and I get a nigga like Clarence, I'm moving on very fast.
Very, very fast.
Very fast. Like the next day fast.
And I'm pregnant too. Like
We getting married fast.
Another thing I hate, last thing, number 5. The last thing I hate is like if we both got food, feel me? I got what I want, you got what you want. I like chicken strips. D already know that, feel me? I love me some chicken strips, feel me? Got me my chicken strips. You got your little Alfredo, the little salad, feel me? You trying to live your best life, feel me? You doing your own thing. I mean, if I'm eating my chicken strips, and I ask you, did you want that? And you say no. And then you take from my food and eat that. That's a problem. And then, I mean, matter of fact, it's not even a problem for me because I like sharing for me. So it's like, oh, that's cute, whatever. But if I take from your food and you start complaining about that,
first of all,
that's a big problem.
You didn't. First of all, like
What's mine is what's yours. What's yours should be mine.
no,
Yes.
you're wrong.
Yeah, I'm very
You're
right.
incorrect.
I'm very right.
It isn't like
I feel like all my brothers know this.
I'm dead. Well, for that, you have anything to
Yes.
say? What?
They stingy.
I was gonna say if
I don't
I'm gonna
like
be
that.
stingy, let me be stingy. But let me have some
What?
yours.
You sound low key one
Like,
sided.
That
sounds bad. What's
They
no,
stingy.
because I don't want any.
Stingy.
If I'm wanting more, why would you take some of mine? That just like, I want more than what I have, and then you take some of mine.
Oh
I have
my
less.
god. My extra one. This goes for both ways. Cause I know y'all could like come back with this too, but I hate females that lie. Just tell the truth. Tell the truth. Like, yeah, I hate. Like, bro, just tell the truth. Like, I don't care how much it might hurt me. I just want to know the truth. I like.
Y'all be lying too.
I get it. I get it.
Lying.
But seriously, like lying in general, just tell the truth.
Yeah, I feel you.
Like, oh my god.
Especially
I
like
wanna.
little things.
Let's get into a story time real quick. Like, huh?
That's what you be doing.
You be doing them.
You be doing-
I do them big lies. You be
No,
doing them
you
little
do them
lies.
little lies.
No, you be
You
doing
be
them
lying
little.
about the littlest
You
things,
be
bro. You
lying
blow
about
my
the
mind, and I know
bro,
the truth.
bro.
I'm saying.
You be doing.
All right. Anyway, back to the
things.
video. Shut up.
That's just wild. I just hate lies. Like, yo, bro, if you not, I want to get into a story time, but we're not going.
Yeah, and that's ain't my fault. I hate when y'all ask for advice and we give it to y'all. Y'all don't
Y'all
take
really
it.
take it. Oh.
That's
That's just people.
You throwing flags on the plate,
how
bro.
I'm throwing up.
Throwing flags on the
A lot.
plate. I feel like that was a sub, but we're not going. I'm a baddie. Oh, that was a black. I'm not with you. Take 2. Oh. Take 3. I'm a baddie.
Alright, so boom. So now we're gonna do 5 things that boys do out.
I'm about to back these boys
When
up.
boys act childish, bro.
Oh, I can't.
What you mean by
I can't
childish?
defend y'all because
No.
y'all low key
Nah.
do. No cap.
What do
They
you mean by
act so
childish?
childish. Oh my god. Like, I don't even know how to explain. They just act childish. Like, imagine the way a child acts. That's how they act. Like, I just see them as children. Like,
In
you gotta
defense-
baby them.
In defense, guys take longer to mature than females.
No, they're just stupid.
No, they do. That's that's true.
They got
Not
too
true.
much breast
Nah, it
milk.
takes longer. It takes longer for a
Or maybe
guy.
they haven't had enough.
I guess it depends on their environment.
I think there's not enough breast milk, so they won't.
Boy, if you don't get.
We don't have breast milk for them, so they act childish.
What?
I think that's it, cause there has to be an excuse.
Shut up.
Nah, like.
Why did I just throw your braid? It was just bothering me. It was just bothering me.
Too.
Alright, second thing that boys do that's annoying. I hate, oh my god, when a boy bashes a girl. Why? For what? Like if he's just coming at her for like no reason, or like if they dated or something, he don't like how it ends, he just start coming for her. Like why?
I can't defend.
Especially when they say like, oh, I fuck her, blah blah blah.
Yeah, and they start spreading rumors. Like, just go get her.
But then if
I
she
can't
say
defend.
fuck you,
Yeah, nah, I'm on y'all side with
I
that.
can't
You
defend
can't
it.
like, fellas, y'all can't talk crazy about a female that you spoke to, or you know y'all was together. You can't do that. You really can't do that. Like that's
Or if
off
you have
limits.
feelings or something, like, no.
That's off limits, boo boo. You can't do that.
I hate when, I mean, if he gotta go for everybody, but a boy, I hate when he acts different around his friends. Like, with you, he's like cool or whatever, then when he get around his friends, he just kind of like turns into like, why? Just chill
I
out.
can't
Cut
defend.
him off if he do that to you.
Just relax. It's not that serious.
Yo,
Your bros.
y'all went through the worst of the worst.
Yeah.
Chill out. Not that serious.
We ain't said all that, bro. We kept it on level 1. Y'all taking it to level 5.
Nah.
But this is
that's
how
level
it is,
1 for
right?
boys. Like this is how it
is.
is.
No
And I-
such room.
Bro, I hate like somebody that tries to like fit in so
Yeah, I
hard.
felt that one.
So bad.
Like bro, no. Like I hate it. Like it's so nasty to
And
me.
annoying. Like, why?
Like no. Like stop it.
Please.
Like die.
Right.
Don't
He
die.
like trying to crack jokes and they're not funny. Everybody just looking at him like, can you shut
Or
up?
trying to be
That's
friends
me. I
with
speak
people
on
that
my
like
I be I be trying to crack jokes and y'all not feeling it.
you should feel that too. You be making
My
jokes
jokes are
and she
funny.
be laughing at herself. Bro, she makes a joke, she be cracking up. I'm like, bro, that wasn't funny.
My jokes be mad
Yo,
funny.
like she be swearing.
My jokes
They're
are
so
funny.
funny.
Nah, that's what?
I be
She
having
probably
you rolling
crack-
though.
Cause they corny.
I be having you rolling.
Yo.
So it's funny.
I'm not laughing at the joke, I'm laughing at you.
Cause I made the joke and it's funny. So that's why you're laughing.
No, she probably gonna make a joke later just to see. It's gonna be all crickets and like we just gonna be there like
We trying to keep PG-13, but we kind of did it. So I'm gonna say, why are you sending me?
Okay.
why you sending me your
I really didn't know.
pictures?
I don't know your
of you
name.
down there.
I don't
Now
know.
whoever do that,
Like, please.
is
Don't.
that.
My extra,
Yeah.
I hate. Alright, this is a specific sub too. I
She
hate,
wanna fight.
bro. I hate when boys just like be mad cocky and mad
Yes.
flashy for no reason. Like they think that's mad attractive,
Exactly.
like flashy and like mad cocky for no reason. Like you think that's impressing a female? It's really not impressing a female.
Nah, we can do
It's
it
not
without you,
impressive.
like,
Like,
you
you
should do it.
like you
We'll
think
probably
that's
spend your money with your iPhone, but that's it.
so like okay. Next thing you know, you in a relationship with a female, you splurging on her. Okay, you think that's making her happy? She probably messing around with some other homie.
But I'm taking that money to my niece.
Like that.
I guess that's it. So.
With that being said, you guys should go check out me and D's channel for me.
Yeah. It'll
It
be
should
linked
be
down below.
in the description.
Mm-hmm.
We got good content.
All their
Everybody.
Instagrams, everything.
Snap, yup.
All
All
that
that snap.
will be
I add
down
right
below.
back.
No, she don't.
But most importantly,
Don't.
check out my YouTube. It's
First
down
of all,
below.
don't go subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
So my
And check out our joint channel.
Oh yeah.
Go check that out too, guys.
Word. So yeah.
you wanna snap us out?
Yeah. Wait, hold on. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.